Can an LLC file Form 1120? Yes, an LLC can file Form 1120, but only if it elects to be taxed as a C corporation. By default, LLCs are taxed as either sole proprietorships, single-member LLCs, or partnerships, multi-member LLCs. To file Form 1120, an LLC must specifically elect corporate taxation. 1. When an LLC files Form 1120. Default tax treatment: single-member LLCs file Schedule C as part of the owner's personal tax return. Multi-member LLCs file Form 1065 and issue Schedule K1 to members. Electing C corporation. Status: if an LLC elects to be taxed as a C corporation, it must file Form 1120. This election is made using IRS Form 8832, Entity Classification Election. Second steps for an LLC to file Form 1120. Step 1. Elect corporate taxation. File Form 832 with the IRS to change the LLC's tax classification to a C corporation. Step 2. Prepare corporate tax documents. Report all income deductions and credits for the LLC as a C corporation. Gather detailed records of business operations, including revenue, expenses, and payroll. Step 3. File Form 1120. Complete and submit Form 1120 U.S. Corporation Income Tax Return by the corporate tax deadline, generally March 15th for calendar year corporations. 3. Why an LLC might file Form 1120. Flat corporate tax rate. C corporations are taxed at a flat rate, currently 21% as of 2024. Reinvestment opportunities. Profits can be retained in the business without immediate distribution to members, avoiding personal income tax on those earnings. Fringe benefits. Owner employees may receive tax-deductible benefits such as health insurance and retirement contributions. Fourth, drawbacks of filing Form 1120. Double taxation. Profits are taxed at the corporate level, and dividends distributed to members are taxed again on their personal returns. Increased complexity. Filing Form 1120 involves more administrative work and compliance than the default LLC tax structure. By electing C corporation taxation and filing Form 1120, an LLC can take advantage of corporate tax benefits while maintaining its legal structure.